moved down here. Obviously, they sent him out to rural areas for postings. Single guy, lived alone, had a heap of toys, computer games and shit like that, and he had a dog. But he was basically on his own in town. But as far as teachers that got through to, I guess, kids like myself that were not bad kids, but we certainly walked that line, he was fantastic. And he just got us in ways where you weren't being judged by this guy. Now, I'd been to his house. He had actually been to my home with my parents for dinner. I have full faith that this man was not doing anything untoward to children in any way, shape, or form. And remember, I was 13, 14 at the time. Some accusations were made from a girls' rugby team. And all accusations were proven to be false, which was far too late after the man was found hanging in a tree. Now, that was it had a massive impact on me as a young man.